You know that feeling when you ask a coding agent to do something and it very confidently wrecks your code base with outdated or even made up functionality?
No, God! No, God, please, no, no!
Well, unfortunately, we see that a lot with LiveKit code. Your coding agent is writing LiveKit code from memory, and that's the problem. LiveKit ships fast and model training data goes stale, so here's how to fix it. Every time you ask a coding agent to build something with LiveKit, it guesses. It knows what LiveKit used to be when it was trained and not what it looks like now. It still might think that LiveKit is just a video conferencing platform. And you might too, so keep up. APIs change, new patterns come out, and the LLM doesn't know any of that. So there are 3 tools that solve this. Let's check them out. The first one is the LiveKit CLI. It has a docs subcommand that gives your agent full access to the LiveKit docs from the terminal. Any agent that can run in shell commands can use this. So the workflow is simple. Start with the lkdocs overview to get the full table of contents. Then lkdocs search to find a topic. Then lkdocs get page to pull the full page. And that last step matters because search only gives you excerpts. There's also the lkdocs code search to dig into specific classes or methods, and lkdocs changelog if something breaks after an upgrade. Now, obviously, you're not meant to run these, your agent is. And the second tool is the LiveKit docs MCP server. It's just one line to add it into your config in Cursor, Claude Code, VS Code, Codex, and others. Same capabilities as the CLI, but wired natively into your IDE. Now, both tools do the same thing. Pick the one that fits how you work. And the third tool is Agent Skills, one npx command to install it. And this is different from the other two. It's not docs access, it's opinionated guidance baked into your agent's context. Workflow design, agent handoffs, task structure, testing patterns, the stuff that doesn't live in API reference pages. So once it's installed, it activates automatically when you're working on relevant tasks. And you can also trigger it manually with the /LiveKit agents command. And now to tie it all together, both the CLI and the MCP server will benefit from a snippet that you can add to your agents.md file. That tells your agent to always check the docs before writing LiveKit code. And the Python and Node.js starter projects already have this set up. So if you're new to LiveKit, one of those starters are the way to go. So the links to everything are in the description, the docs, the CLI reference, the MCP server setup, and the starter project. So go build something. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more content like this.